gonna show you the new Sunday insert. I just get mine Thursday, so this is the new Sunday insert coupons. And look what I found in here, guys. This is so heaven. Like, look at this. $2, $1. I love all this brand. $2 for Maybelline face product. Look at this, guys. And also here, there's another Maybelline here. Another $2 of or another $2 for lipstick. And then this week they got L'Oreal. Come on, guys. Look at that. Another 150 off. And there's another L'Oreal in here. You know when it's L'Oreal because it is always yellow. Look at those. Another $2 off for a lipstick. And this one is a lipstick, and this one is this kind of lippies. So this one here, there's $2 for the Lush serum solution, and this one is for eyeliner, eyeshadow, and eyebrow product. And there's another $2 in here for any mascara, and there's another $2 in here for what's that? For cosmetic face. So any foundation in there is allowed. And look at this. Oh my god. So there's another $3 off for two for a Vibe shampoo. I am gonna get this, really. And this one, $2 for the Magic Root cover up. And there's another $5 for two for a hair color. And this one is for the Magic Root. Oh my god. There's a lot of L'Oreal today, guys. And also they got Garnier. Yes, got Garnier. I'm gonna get this shampoo, conditioner, treatment, or styling product. So two of this for $3 off. And there's another in here. Hair color. So my god, guys, my adrenaline is kicking right now. So this one, I really want to get this before, but my coupon got expired because I decided not to get it yet last time. So there's $2 off for Neutro. And look at this, guys. This is so exciting. So there's $3 off for any CeraVe product. And this one is CeraVe Healing, $3 off for one. And there's one here, $4 for any CeraVe baby product. Oh my god. And this one, ooh, I like this. I'm gonna get one of this maybe. I don't know yet. So $1 off for Purdue product, and got my family dollars in here. There's a brochure. So he's here, $2. Available at Walgreens and select location at Rite Aid and CVS. $2 off for. Ooh, this is January 31st, 2020. Oh my god, I could keep this for a long time. And there's $1 off for the 2 Quilt Northern Bath and Tissue. So, oh, there's another $4 for one Gillette razor or blade refill. Ooh. Oh my god. So, let's see. One Crest multi-pack toothpaste, 3 ounce or more. Exclude the cavity regular baking soda. So if you're gonna get this, and you have $2 off. And this one, how much is this? $2 off. And Burst Beats. I love Burst Beats. So $2 off in here for the toothpaste, and 50 cents for the kids toothpaste. Wow. This is really nice. This is the ads. So there's this for the Gerber. Yeah. If you have kids, you might like the Gerber. But I don't have kids, so I'm not gonna get the Gerber. So what else, guys? So yeah, that's all for the Retail Me Not insert, and we were gonna look for our, oh my god, smart source. Let's see what's in the smart source. So there is the BJ's ads. So this one has here for IB Guard. It's $3 off for IB Guard product, and there's $3 save for after good and any IB Guard, FD Guard fiber choice. So this one is this one. This one is this one. This one, this is the fiber choice. $3 off. So I have $1 off for Sunsweet juice one. That's $1 off. So this one is for the Floristol baby. That. So $2 and $4. That's $6, guys. So this one, I always keep seeing this, but mine, it's a waste because I don't use it. So I just wait until my coupon expired. So, December 7, 2019. 2 boxes of any flavor variety fiber one or protein one. And this one, $2 for 50 cents off. And then $1 in here for 2 box 5 counts of Nature Valley. I love Nature Valley. So this here is $1 on 3 when you buy 3 Pillsbury refrigerated baked goods product. So if you're gonna get 3, you'll save $1. So you need to get 3. And then this one package, 90 count or larger, any Totino's pizza rolls. Oh, that's kind of cool. Pizza rolls. And then what's in here? Wonderful pistachios. So I love pistachios. So $1 for pistachios. $1 off. I love those. I'll try it. So here's the thing. This is the most exciting part. It's the hair color. So $6 off for 2 Clairo Non-Easy Permanent Root Touch Up Natural. So $6 if you're gonna get 2. And this one, if you're gonna get only one, just $2 off. And this one for the temporary root touch up concealing powder or root touch up color blending gel, $5 for 2. And this one is $6 off for 2 boxes of Clairol color grade or specialty blending collection. That's $3 each. So this one, oh my god, if you guys love Quaker Oats, you might want to get this. 2 box of Quaker Oat fashioned quick or instant oats. So 2 box of this, $1 off. So what else? Ooh, this one save 3 now for anyone Paint Black 24. Paint Black 24. So this one is for the kitty cat. I'm sorry, I don't have cat. I have dog. So on 48 or 3-ounce cans of Fancy Feast wet cat food, any variety. Nice. $3 off. Wow. So this one is for the, I don't know what's that for. Oh, this is my favorite. This is my very, very favorite cupping syrup, guys. I love this, and I always use this for every time I have cough. So this is the brand I always want to get. So $2 off for the 12 hours adult or kids product, Delsim. And this one too, that one, and this one, and also this one, Mucinex. If you need Mucinex, you might want this. So that's another $2, guys. So this one here is still Mucinex. On any one Mucinex. This one in here. This is the 12-hour, guys. 12 hours. So Rana. So this is refrigerated pasta or any variety of Giovanni Rana. So this one is any refrigerated sauce. Oh, so this one is the pasta and this one is the sauce. $1 here, $1 here. Oh wow. Why not, guys, right? So this one is for the Olive Garden. So this one, oh my god. Last time, mine got expired just last week. So I've been taking this melatonin because I am having a hard time to go to sleep. So I am taking this kind of melatonin that I need to get one of this because I'm just gonna show you guys. So I am using this melatonin right here. And I need, see, I only have few in here. Only few. So I need to get another batch of my melatonin because I always have a problem sleeping, guys. So this is gonna be super duper good for me. Oh my god, another $2. And you know how much is this at Walmart? It's only five something. Plus I'm gonna get $2 off for one, and that's gonna be almost $4. So I'm so excited. So let's put that down. But this one, I don't use this. Ooh, 50 cents off for one Lysol disinfectant spray and an 81 Lysol disinfectant wipes, 50 cents. And this one, my husband using this, he loves this. And on anyone Lysol laundry sanitizer. So, and this one expired on the on November 10th. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. So here's my smart source insert, guys, and I'm so excited to go shopping. Yay!